Hi, this is Ma'am Jill Irish Trinidad, and today we will discuss about differentiating linear inequalities and linear equations into variables and solution to linear inequalities. So, dalawang lesson tayo ngayon. Let us start. Simulan natin sa differentiating linear inequalities and linear equations into variables. Ano nga ba ang pagkakaiba nila? Remember that equations and inequalities are two significant concepts in mathematics. Napakahalaga po nito. These are related but they are different in some ways. Isa-isahin natin. Pag sinabing equation, ito po ay mathematical sentence which shows that two quantities have the same or equal values. Kaya siya equation kasi equal yung values. And it uses equal sign, of course, this symbol, to show this relationship. On the other hand naman, pag sinabing inequality, this is a mathematical sentence which shows that two quantities may have different or unequal values. Inequality, kaya unequal yung values, hindi parehas. So it uses the symbol greater than, less than, greater than or equal, less than or equal, and also not equal to show the relationship. Let us proceed. Let us identify yung similarities between linear equation and linear inequality in two variable. So, meron din naman silang pagkakatulad. So, simulan natin. Both of them have two variables of degree 1. Ibig sabihin, ang exponent natin ay 1 lang. Both of them. And then, also, both of them can be graphed on a Cartesian coordinate plane. Also, their solution can be expressed as an ordered pair x and y. Okay, so similar sa linear equality, ganun din po ang linear inequalities. So, bukod sa pagkakatulad, meron din silang pagkakaiba. Ano-ano ang mga pagkakaiba ng linear equation at linear inequality in two variables? Let's start. So, magkakaroon tayo ng point of differences, tapos yung anong meron kay linear equation at anong meron kay linear inequality. Let's start with the first one. Symbol used. Okay? For linear equation, ang gamit natin ay equal symbol or ito. And then, for linear inequality naman, ang gamit natin ay itong mga symbols na to, tulad kanina, the greater than, less than, not equal, greater than or equal, and less than or equal. Ayan. So, take note that this symbol can be read as is equal to, pwede ring equals to, pwede ring is, or pwede ring equal. So, maraming paraan para basahin yan, depende sa statement. On the other hand, kapag inequality naman, yung ganitong symbol, we can read that as is less than, is below, or is smaller than. Marami pa actually. Yung ganito namang symbol, we have is greater than, is above, is more than, and others. Yung namang ganitong symbol, it could be is less than or equal to, or is at most, or is not to exceed, or is maximum. Okay, take note ha, baka malito tayo. This is less than or equal, pero ang gamit natin is at most. Kasi ibig sabihin, ito na yung pinaka maraming pwede. So, ito o yung mas konti. Kaya at most. Okay? Ganun din kaya maximum. On the other hand, this symbol is greater than or equal to. Ang gamit natin is of course the opposite, which means is at least. Bakit is at least? Kasi ito yung pinaka-konti paparami. Okay? Also, minimum. And of course, this symbol is read as is not equal to. I hope na gets po yan. Let's proceed with another differences. Second difference is in standard form. Linear equation in two variable can be seen as ax plus by equals c. Pag linear inequality naman, ang symbol ng standard form ay ganito. So, parehas lang ng ating linear equation. Ang pagkakaiba lang, yung symbol na gamit natin ay naging greater than, less than, greater than or equal, or less than or equal to. Third difference, graph. Ang itsura ng graph ng linear equation in two variable is a straight line. Kapag linear inequality naman, it's a plane or a half plane. Okay, bakit po half plane? Kasi po, pag naglagay ka ng straight line, yung half plane nun ang magiging kasama sa linear inequality, which we will discuss in other lesson. Fourth difference po, pagdating naman sa solution. Ang solution ng linear equation, lahat ng points xy na nasa line. Lahat ng points na kasama dun sa line na yon. Pero kapag inequality, bukod sa lahat ng points na yon sa xy, kasama din yung shaded area. Okay? Kapag less than or equal to, hindi kasama yung nasa line. Kapag less than or equal to at greater than or equal to, kasama yung nasa line. Clear natin ha? Kapag greater than or less than, ang kasama lang pong solution ay yung nasa shaded area lang. Kapag greater than or equal to at saka less than or equal to, ang kasama sa solution ay yung shaded area at yung line. Kasama yung line. Okay? I hope that's clear. Fifth difference, translating verbal statements into mathematical statement. Actually, madali lang to. If you will recall this one, example, the sum of a number x and a number y is 24. Diba, ang gamit natin is x plus y is equal to 24. Pag naging linear inequality yan, parang ganito lang. The sum of a number x and a number y is greater than 24. So, kanina is yung gamit, kaya equals. Ngayon is greater than, kaya greater than yung ating symbol. Ganun din, a number x decreased by a number y is 24. We know that that is x minus y is 24. Pagdating sa linear inequality, a number x decreased by a number y is less than 24. Kaya ang symbol natin ay less than. Another example, the sum of twice a number x and thrice a number y is 30. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 30. Kapag ginawa natin yung linear inequality, the sum of twice a number x and thrice a number y is at least 30. Dahil at least yung gamit natin, greater than or equal to 30. Next, twice a number x decreased by thrice a number y is 30. So 2x minus 3y is equal to 30. Kapag ginawa natin yung inequality, twice a number x decreased by thrice a number y is at most 30. Dahil at most, it should be less than or equal to. Okay, marami pang ibang translation na posibleng gamitin dyan. Let's proceed. For number 6, we will have sample graphs. Ano naman yung difference nila sa sample graphs? So, halimbawa, you are going to graph linear equation y is equal to 3 over 2x plus 3. If you will recall yung ating pag-graph ng linear equation, I hope naaalala, it will look like this. Kapag pinagraph naman, yung y is less than or equal to 3 over 2x plus 3. Halos pares yung equation, di ba? Nangyari lang, ito ay naging inequality kasi naging less than or equal to. Kung titingnan mo ang graph, halos pares lang din. Pero, nagkaroon ngayon ng shaded area. So, dahil inequality siya, hindi lang yung line yung kasama, kundi pati yung area. Okay, I hope na get. Let us have this example. Say for example, you are multiplying with a negative integer dun sa isang equation. So kung meron tayong linear equation, recall lang natin, ang given halimbawa ay 3x plus 2 minus 2y is equal to 6. So ang paggagawin natin yan, di ba kailangan maging y form or maging slope-intercept form. Kaya magagamit tayo ng addition property of equality. So kailangan natin ay y, kailangan maalis ang 3x. So we have to add the opposite or negative 3x on both sides. Kaya magiging 3x plus negative 3x yung dinagdag, copy minus 2y is equal yung dinagdag plus 6. Again, ano man ang dinagdag sa kaliwa, siya rin ang idadagdag sa kanan. Okay, if we do that, next step is to simplify. If we simplify, 3x plus negative 3x will be cancelled na. So may iwan na lang ay negative 2y is equal to negative 3x plus 6. And of course, kailangan natin maiwan yung y. Therefore, we have to use the multiplication property of equality para matanggal itong negative 2. So we will be multiplying negative 1/2 on both sides. Okay? Bakit negative 1/2? Kasi negative 2 yung kailangang alisin. You have to multiply by its reciprocal. So doing so, makakancel tong negative 1/2 at yung negative 2. May iwan na lang ang y. So, pag naiwan na yung y, i-distribute na natin, it will be like this. So, maiiwan yung y dyan later on. Yung negative 1/2, imumultiply natin sa negative 3x. At yung negative y, 1/2 ay imumultiply din sa 6. So, if we simplify this, our final answer will be this one. Paano nangyari, ma'am? Ito po ay na-cancel. Naalala nyo po. This is y. And then negative 3x times negative 1/2 is positive 3x over 2. Then 6 times negative 1/2 is negative 3. So this is our final answer. This is how we do linear equation. But our lesson is linear inequality. So paano pong gagawin kapag linear inequality na? Same procedure. May konti lang na difference. So this time, linear inequality naman. Same given tayo. So ang given natin na ito, pinalitan lang natin yung equal ng greater than. Then, add negative 3 on both sides. So, parang addition property of equality. This time, addition property of inequality. So, mag-add tayo ng negative 3 on both sides, dito sa kaliwa at dito sa kanan. So, pag in-add ko yan, ito po, isi-simplify natin, makakancel to, may iwan ang negative 2y. Then, negative 3x plus 6. Then, kanina nag-multiplication property of equality ako. Ipapakita ko sa inyo na pwede rin namang division ang gagamitin natin. So, we will divide both sides by negative 2. Bakit negative 2? Kasi negative 2 po yung coefficient ng y. So, if we divide both sides by negative 2, magkakaroon to ng negative 2. Ito rin by negative 2. Ito rin by negative 2. Then, if we simplify, it will be like this. So, y, and then positive na kasi dalawang negative, 3x over 2, and then negative 3, kaya naging minus 3. Ito ang nakalagay ngayon. Direction of the inequality symbol is reversed. Pansinin, yung greater than naging less than. Bakit? Kasi po, nang tayo ay nag-simplify dito, nag-divide tayo ng negative. Take note, pag nag-divide or nag-multiply ng negative, you have to change the inequality symbol. Gagawin lang po yan kapag negative ang ipinang-divide. Unlike po sa equality, kahit negative ang ipang-divide, walang mangyayari. Okay? So kapag hindi naman negative ang pinang-divide mo, you don't need to change the inequality symbol. I hope malinaw po iyan. See. This time, let's do the solution to linear inequalities. Take note that an ordered pair, xy, is a solution of an inequality in two variables if a true statement results when the variable in the inequality is replaced by the coordinates of the ordered pair. So, katulad lang din to nung ginagawa natin sa pagkuha ng solution ng equality or ng equation rather. So, ganun din ang proseso. Siyempre, magkakaroon lang ng konting pagbabago which is the symbol. So, let's start. Say, for example, you are to determine whether each ordered pair is a solution to 2x plus 3y is less than or equal to 6. So, let's start with letter A. So, yung letter A muna i-solve natin. Negative 2, 1. Will it be the solution? Let's check. So, first, you have to write the original inequality. 2x plus 3y is less than or equal to 6. Next step po, replace mo yung x or substitute mo yung x ng negative 2 at yung y ng positive 1. So, it will be 2 times negative 2 kasi x plus 3 times 1 kasi y is equal to 6. Then, we simplify. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4 and 3 times 1 is 3. So, 2 times negative 2 is negative 4, 3 times 1 is 3, which is less than or equal to 6. And then, pag na-simplify na po, let us add the two given on the left. So, negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1. And that is 6. Tanong, is negative 1 less than or equal to 6? Is it a true statement? Yes, dahil yung negative 1 ay mas mababa kay 6, then true statement siya, therefore that is a solution to the given inequality. Okay, so let's try another one. Let's try letter B naman, 1, 2. So ganun pa rin yung proseso. First step, you write the original inequality, 2x plus 3y is less than or equal to 6. Then we substitute or we replace the x with 1 and the y with 2. So it will turn out to be like this. Yung x naging 1, yung y naging 2. So after that, we need to simplify. So 2 times 1 is 2 and 3 times 2 is 6. And that is less than or equal to 6. Now, we add. 2 plus 6 is 8. That is less than or equal to 6. Tanong, is 8 less than or equal to 6? No. Okay. Dahil yung 8 ay hindi naman less than sa 6 at hindi rin naman to equal sa 6, then the statement is false. At dahil ang statement ay false, then yung 1, 2 is not a solution to the given inequality. Alright? I hope na gets. Let's have another one. Yung letter C naman tayo. So, 3, negative 1 yung binigay. So, with this one, sulat ulit natin yung original inequality. 2x plus 3y is less than or equal to 6. So, same procedure. We replace or we substitute x with 3 and the y with negative 1. So, if we do so, 2 times 3 kasi yun yung x plus 3 times negative 1 kasi yun yung y, then that is less than or equal to 6. And then, we simplify. 2 times 3 is 6. And 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. And that is less than or equal to 6. Then we add 6 plus negative 3 is positive 3. That is less than or equal to 6. Tanong, is 3 less than or equal to 6? Yes. Dahil true ulit ang ating statement, then 3 negative 1 rather, is a solution to the given. Naintindihan po ba? I hope na intindihan. And with that, thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye-bye!